Well, good morning, guys. Still got the canopy set up from mixing concrete yesterday, but good news. So the electric company came and cut the cable for power here. So they just disconnected that pole for now. Later they'll probably come and disconnect out to that pole because we'd like to just have this pole out of here so we can have our yard back here a little bit. But so they got it cut here, so when I get up on the roof, it's all dead, so I can cut it up there. That's what I'm thankful for today, is that we have progress being made on the house. So thankful for progress. Whether it's on a project or in life, progress is always a good thing. So keep moving forward. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thankful for today. So while progress is going on with the electric, I'm also demoing. I've got this old water heater. I've never seen one in a cabinet like this before, but it's pretty nasty. That's the floor that it was sitting on. We're getting ready for the dumpster. That's supposed to be delivered today, and then we can continue on this and tearing the roof off. So yeah, this looks really different here where the water heater used to sit. So now we can finish digging this dirt out of here. We can tear the paneling off, get that old electrical box out of here, and we can finally get this all prepped. So that's exciting. So got a little bit of digging to do there. I'll probably do that next while we're waiting on the dumpster. And then when the dumpster comes, yay, we can rip and tear on the roof. So excited for that. Anyway, so there's some days where it feels good, you can actually make some forward progress. So scattered, we've got so many different things going on here. There's so many different things we're waiting on and all that. So a remodel is just so different for me, such a different animal. But I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you the good, bad, and the ugly. And hopefully it's, interesting to you. And if it is, make sure to follow along. And I appreciate the support. But yeah, so I'm just trying to do shorter videos, which I'm used to rambling, teaching, all that stuff. So I'm doing shorter videos, not showing actually doing the work, but showing it as we're doing it, kind of. So that's a totally different style for me. And also try to do this daily, weekly, whatever. It's a different style for me. But bear with me on that. And let me know, do you guys enjoy this new content, this new format? Something completely different. And I'm enjoying it. But it's just really different for me, like I was saying. So flip you around here. I'm just going to show you this morning. Got concrete blocks here from what the water heater was sitting on. But yeah, these pads turned out really good. I had showed them last night when they were done, but they turned out really good. So excited for those as well, the concrete piers. All right, well, this got cleaned up a lot from what it was. So yeah, I had pulled all that water heater off of there and then got the electrical panel. Got all that cleaned up. Got the dirt dug out. So now this is pretty much final grade. Feels good to have that done because that whole corner needed it.